Here we go. We got dolphin out there. We're out at the beach this morning. It's a little breezy. Keep your eyes open. There they are. Might be too far away to see them. I haven't seen them that close in a long time. Maybe we'll get lucky and they'll start playing in that swell. Oh, look! They're riding the wave. They're down there a little bit, but if you look real close, you can see them. At least that one was riding the wave. I guess they've gone. Do you see any more coming, Dave?
Yeah.
Oh, there they are. Here comes the next batch. We'll see if these guys are playful or if they'll show up. It's always fun to watch them play in the water, play in the waves. Guess they're done coming by. We'll let you enjoy a couple more wave breaks and then I'll shut it down. We hope y'all have a lovely morning on this 5th of July and hope you had a wonderful 4th of July quiet celebration yesterday.